how to log in Klarna or sign in or apply for Klarna account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can sign up or apply for Klarna application account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The very first thing you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then make sure to download the Klarna application. Once you've downloaded it, you can simply go ahead and then open it up. Now you have two options. One is, first of all, you can choose to create an account or you can choose to sign in. Now first of all, again, before that, just make sure to enter your phone number correctly. You can create an account or sign in. If you want to create an account, you can tap the create account option. It will take you to this new page where you have to simply enter the phone number, right? So just make sure to enter the phone number that you might want to use in this case. Once you enter the phone number, it will send a verification code to that phone number. Similarly, if you already have an account and instead you want to sign in, then what you can do is just come back to this page. You can tap the sign in option here, and again repeatedly you can simply enter the phone number of your account. Once you enter the phone number of your account, you will be able to successfully go ahead and verify the OTP code that will be sent to this phone number. Once you verify the OTP code that will be sent to this phone number, you can simply go ahead and then log in using your password or everything else. This way you will be able to log in or apply for Klarna account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.